Featuring a traditional look, smart features, and a range of all-day health monitoring capabilities, vívomove Sport is the perfect accessory to help you live better. In this video, we'll introduce you to your new hybrid smartwatch. After charging, download the Garmin Connect app on your compatible smartphone to complete the easy setup process. It will walk you through how to get your smartwatch up and running and paired with your phone. Now let's take a look at the watch. To wake the screen, raise your wrist or double tap the lower part of the screen. Swipe left or right to view widgets that show your steps, intensity minutes, and health stats such as body battery, stress, hydration, and heart rate. You can even take a look at your calendar or read smart notifications, messages, and emails. Tap on any of the widgets to access more data or additional options. You can remove or reorder widgets by using the Garmin Connect app. Press and hold on the screen to access the menu, then swipe to view menu options. Here you can set timers and alarms, access settings, and start tracking an activity. Just tap the activity icon. Swipe through the available activities including walk, run, cardio, strength, and even yoga. More activities can be selected using the Garmin Connect app. Then you can tap to select the activity you want to complete. You will be asked if you want to use the GPS on your connected smartphone. Double tap the screen to start your activity. During the activity, you can view the timer on screen or swipe to see other data such as heart rate and calories burned. When you want to stop an activity, double tap the screen. Here you can save the activity or swipe to discard or resume it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, visit support.garmin.com.